Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Natalie here from Stand Up Woman and Natalie's Table. First of all, I'd like to say thank you all for tuning in to my channel, and those who are new, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my channel and video. And also, I hope everyone had a blessed and thankful Thanksgiving with your family, and also just giving thanks, to God that we are alive today. He woke us up, and we are here to share testimonies and what He has brought us to, through, and just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Well, I'm just grateful to be here today, guys. And I was listening to my girlfriend. I just saw her YouTube video because of course I have events coming up, and I know this is a busy season for all of us who create beautiful gifts and beautiful designs and unique gifts as well. All of us on the platform, we all have a gift, and some of us, we have upcoming events, we have our brick and mortar businesses. And whatever your gifts and your crafts are, I know this is a busy season for all of us, even in retail. And I have to tell you guys, I did not go out for Black Friday. I did not go shopping because, again, I have enough inventory, so I do not need to go out to get anything extra. I will use what I have, and what I have is enough. God has supplied me with all that I need. I have enough inventory, baskets, body products, robes, spa items, everything I need. So again, if you're new and you're starting off with your gifting business, please utilize what you have. Use the items that you already have and make it work. And according, like LBE says, make it do what it do. And like my sister says, you know what I mean. So again, I just saw her channel, and she was mentioning, talking about these beautiful porcelain, ivory, and gold coffee mugs or tea mugs that I told her about, that I purchased from Burlington. And I also did a short. If you all did not see that short with my mug haul from Burlington, please feel free to go and look. But when I told her about it, thank you, sis, for giving me a shout out. I remember that I did not do a video or a short showing the gifts, the mugs in the window bag. I did do a picture with the mugs by themselves and out of the bags, but not completed. So thank you, sis, for bringing back to my remembrance. And even though they're sold, I'm waiting for my customer to pick them up. I have them, so I'm just showing the items and the gifts that I already created. And she is Lady Di. Her name is Eileen, from Unique Gifts and Decor by Lady Di. So you guys go over to her channel, check her out. She is amazing. Her gifts are, her gifts are high end. That's all I can say. Her gifts are high end. And I told her, sis, your gifts are Park Avenue. I'm in New Jersey, so, I travel, I go into New York a lot. My husband and I, we go into the city, and there's an avenue called Park Avenue where they have all those high-end stores, Tiffany's and all those high-end stores there. So, again, her gifts are, to me, her gifts are Park Avenue, high end. Okay, so please check out her video, Unique Gifts by Lady Di. Okay, and she has such a wonderful and beautiful spirit, and I love her. She is amazing. But anyway, sis, thank you for reminding me I did not do a video on the completed gift. So here it is. I'm just bringing you guys to show you what it looks like. And I just made 2. I love doing things in 3s, and it's what's comfortable for you, and also what you are making your gifts for. If it's an order, or if it's for an event that's coming up for the holidays, or whatever the occasion is. You know, you create your gifts, the number of gifts according to where you are and your clientele, okay? And you would know, only you will know personally who your customers are.